Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year once again. So today I am going to be harvesting my groundnuts which I planted last year September. And this is the first episode this year in my series From Farm to My Table. Enjoy! Look at my peanuts. Okay, it's just on this side. Yeah, you can see some of the flowers. I only planted in a small place. You can see this flower here when it blooms. A peanut. Okay, this is the only space I have. Hello guys, Happy New Year. So right now I'm going to harvest my peanuts. You can see some of them are still looking pretty vibrant. But a lot of it is dry. I haven't actually been adding too much water, but I think it's time to harvest. You can even see a flower here. And what happens really is that when you have a flower, the flower dies, and then a sort of root grows into the ground, okay? And it forms the peanut in the ground, or the groundnut in the ground. That's why it's called groundnut, a nut in the ground. Now these ones are still growing. I see. So I don't know. I want to harvest these ones. Yeah. So you see, when a flower dies, or when a flower goes down, something like this, a root grows into the ground. Okay, and it forms the peanut in there. Okay, so just watch me as I harvest some of my peanuts, and I'm going to make something with it. Look at this. Some are still growing actually. Did they see it? Are you seeing it? I think so. I think it's fully ready. So my friends, what did you think? I made boiled groundnuts, a common snack here, especially during groundnut season. And I thoroughly enjoyed my groundnuts. And one amazing thing for me here is that I planted this groundnut. I planted it last year, September. I watered it, took care of it as much as I could until the end. So about 4 months later, I'm harvesting it and it's now on my table. I've made something nice out of it. And it's all organic. So I encourage you guys to grow your own food. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also share the video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao.